So in this video we're looking at the brand new launch of Sun. So this is Justin Sun's token. It's a DeFi project with a whole ton of pools in it, and basically you can get super stellar returns at the moment. Naturally they will come down over time, but you can see here this return is almost 1,000%, and also here 262% on this pool. There are two other pools, the TRX pool, as you can see there's 150 staked in there, and the annual return is 82.5%. The promo period is ended, right, on that. So what you can do is that you can select to enter, right. If you don't have the tokens, you can get LP token from JustSwap, and you just click this link below, right. Here is the TRX pool. So there are 3.7 billion TRX in there, and they're trying to mine 134,499 Sun tokens in this particular pool. So as you can see, I've entered 150 TRX here, and eventually they will accumulate some Sun tokens. With 150 it will only be a small amount, so it'll be well less than a decimal, probably 2-3 decimal places. You can stake or select, and you just hit select, so you can stake there. And you can also claim on this one. So I have staked 150 here. I can click claim and unstake. This is only, it doesn't show decimal places, but if there's Sun in there that's less than a decimal, it will show there, and you can claim, claim and unstake it. Or if you want to enter, you can enter 100, and you can, if you've got enough in your wallet, it already connects up to Tron Link wallet. You can click OK, and it will stake it for you. And that's a good way of earning the Sun token. Obviously, the Sun, you can then reinvest that. Once you get Sun token, you can sell it to more TRX, stake more TRX, all sorts of strategies like that. There's an FAQ. It will tell you what Sun is, that it's a social experiment dedicated to the development of Tron's DeFi ecosystem. So you can look at that, how to participate in the LP mining, when will the mining start, etc., which it started today, and etc. So you can look through all those questions, and then you can learn from the white paper there. I'll leave the link to sun.io in the link below, and you can enjoy staking for some Sun. You don't lose your stake, by the way, so this 150 doesn't lose, you just claim it back later. So you're getting free Sun from the TRX, and then you can buy and sell it on JustSwap, which you can see my previous video on that. Hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to subscribe, like and share, hit the bell notifications for more, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!